கதை சொல்லுங்க பரிசு வெல்லுங்க போட்டிக்காக குழந்தைகள் அனுப்பியிருக்கிற கதைகளை கேட்க போறோம். கவனமா கேளுங்க. சிறந்த கதைக்கு வாக்களிக்க மறந்துடாதீங்க. உங்களுடைய வாக்கு அவர்களுக்கு மிகப்பெரிய அங்கீகாரத்தை பெற்றுத்தரும்.
Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to be saying a story of title Grady. Now greedy is a thing that worst quality in our life. Now the fisherman was started. The fisherman will go to the river and take the fish and sell it and make it a money. The fisherman, this was early morning, the fisherman started going to the river for fishing. The fisherman got a goldfish. That was a big fish and a golden color. He was surprised and taking to the fish in home. The fish, when he was walking taking the fish was fall down and started talking. Please leave me. I would not be come with you. Please leave me in river. I want to be in river. What did you want? I can give to you. The fisherman told that no, this is a surprise or a dream. How can the fish talk? This is so surprising me. The fish told that I am a superpower fish. What did you want? The fisherman asked him a good dress, good house, and needing what we need for a society. He asked next is I want a respite in society. The fish was give all the things to him, but he was going to his home. The fisherman wife was telling that what a surprise, see our dress change, our house change, our food change, we got a respite in our society. How is it possible? This is dream or a magic. I'm extremely surprised. The fisherman told that what happened in the river. The fishing wife told that no, why did you leave the fish in the river? You want to take the fish to us and we want to get all the goodness of the fish. The fisherman told that no, this is not possible. We want to leave the fish in the river. The fishing woman, the wife told that no, I want that fish. The fishing woman told that she started crying. Our wife was crying. The fishing man started going to get that fish. The fish told that no, I would not be able to come with you. I want to stay in river. Please leave me. And the fish go to this river. The man told that the man started coming to himself. All the wealth, the home, dress, and all the things was go out from them. They was be so poor when them was a poor. Now they was so poor. The fishing man told that oh, see, greedy is the worst thing for a human. See, we leave our house and all the things. Now we are being a beggar. This is nothing. This is the meaning of greedy. Greedy is the worst behavior and the worst attitude. This was a dream of a girl who was studying at school. She was suddenly wake up and started shouting. Our mother was coming. What happened? She asked, what happened, baby? What did happen in the bed? The girl told that what and all happened in the dream. The mom told that see, this is a good thing that you come in your dream. Greedy is not a good thing. Do not greedy. This is the basic content of this story and this dream. Thank you. I request you all, don't be greedy with one thing we got. We want to keep the thing like safe. Don't be greedy with bigger than other thing. Thank you for listening my story.
மேலும் கதைகளை கேட்க bookday.in, பாரதி டிவி, பாரதி புத்தகாலயத்தின் அனைத்து சமூக ஊடக பக்கங்களை பின்தொடருங்க.